Dashes versus hyphens. The quick guide to mastering em dash, en dash, and hyphen. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into the world of punctuation. We're going to focus on something very specific yet incredibly important: the differences between em dashes, en dashes, and hyphens. Understanding these three punctuation marks can make a huge difference in your English writing. So, let's get started. The hyphen is the smallest of the three marks we're discussing today. Hyphens connect words and parts of words. They're used in compound terms, to avoid ambiguity, or to form a single idea from two or more words. For example, we use a hyphen in a term like mother-in-law. The hyphen connects these words to indicate they form one idea. Remember, don't leave a space before or after a hyphen when it's used to connect words or parts of words. The en dash is slightly wider than the hyphen. It is used to represent a range or to connect things that are related. For example, in pages 9 to 12, the en dash connects the two page numbers to show a range. The en dash is also used to connect two items that are related or in conflict. For instance, in New York-London flight, the en dash connects the two cities. Remember, don't leave a space before or after an en dash when it's used in this way. The em dash is the longest of the three marks. It's used to add emphasis, to indicate a break in thought, or to introduce a pause within a sentence. For example, she opened the door, and there he was. Here, the em dash creates a dramatic pause before revealing who was at the door. In contrast to hyphens and en dashes, you can choose to leave a space before and after an em dash, although this is often a matter of style and preference. So, how can we sum up the differences between em dashes, en dashes, and hyphens? Hyphens connect words and parts of words. En dashes represent a range or connect related items. Em dashes add emphasis, indicate a break in thought, or introduce a pause. Remember these roles, and you'll have a solid understanding of when and how to use these different marks. That's all for today's lesson on hyphens, en dashes, and em dashes. By understanding these distinctions, you can enhance your English writing and ensure that you're communicating your ideas as clearly as possible. Keep practicing, and before you know it, you'll be a punctuation pro. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!